So what we have in front of us is a adjustable brake pedal. This was made by Custom Chrome, who is no longer in business. These fit 2000 to 2017 Harley Softails with floorboards. It has a 1-inch offset. So this is a replacement brake pedal if you've bent yours, your chrome is peeling, or you have issues with yours. It also serves as a replacement for somebody who's looking for more comfort. There's a set screw in the back right here, and it allows you to adjust the angle of your brake pedal. So if you're looking for a way to make your bike more comfortable, this is a good replacement and a great modification. So it not only serves as a replacement for a broken or damaged brake pedal, but this is also for the person who's looking for a way to adjust the brake pedal because you might not like the way your brake pedal sits. So these are limited. We can only get what we can get. Custom Chrome no longer produces parts, so whoever has these, and you will not find them ever again once they're gone. Thanks for watching, and make sure you like, share, and subscribe.